Hello everyone, today I will teach you how to fix high ping in Roblox. So let's get started. So the first thing I would recommend you do if you have high ping in Roblox is to check your internet speed. If your internet speed is high, I recommend you restart your router. If that still doesn't work, I also suggest you connect to LAN network or Ethernet. Other methods would be closing other applications while you play Roblox. Just hold the keys Control, Shift, and Escape, and that would open Task Manager. Now, what many people don't know is that while playing games such as Roblox, there are other apps still running, and these apps could be quite heavy. So, just find those apps and then just right-click them and just click End Task. Remember, the more apps that are open, the higher your ping would be. Another method is updating your network drivers. So just go to your search bar and type Device Manager. Go to the network settings and you would have to update your Wi-Fi and also your LAN adapter. Just right click on it and choose Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers, and if the update is available, it will automatically update. For the next method, go to your search bar again and type View Network Connections. Once you're here, right click Wi-Fi, then click Properties. After that, look for Internet Protocol version 4 and then click it twice. After that, select the second option, use the following DNS server address. In the preferred, make sure it's 8888, and for alternate, it's 8844. Just type OK and try Roblox again. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like this video and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this.